Swim club is so good. I have a great time competing and I have met some great friends.
Do you like to compete? Why not join Kincumber Pacific Dolphins Swim Club? The club fosters and encourages the development of team spirit amongst children through swimming and related activities. Points are awarded to swimmers who improve on their own personal best time. Each swimmer is rewarded for personal improvement rather than their place in a race. The system allows every swimmer the potential to win an overall point score competition regardless of his or her ability. Registered club members are also encouraged to compete in local carnivals with other swimmers from other clubs. At these carnivals, swimmers work towards achieving qualifying times to compete at a representative level. The pathway to representing Australia is established from your child's very first competition. Kincumber Pacific Dolphins has a very strong representative team competing at New South Wales country, state and national competition. Kincumber Pacific Dolphins promotes a healthy sport that creates self-confidence, fun and fitness, development of team spirit within an individual competitive environment, opportunities for weekend, week-long and away competitions, fantastic end-of-season awards for regular attendees and high achievers, and the creation of lifelong friendships who share common interests.
Kincumber Pacific Dolphins is so much fun. The coaches are extremely dedicated and they love it when they see me getting better and better.